Good Saturday morning. I'm going to give you an update on the housing addition. Looks like they're starting to put in the actual official roads, and more infrastructure is going up now. As we come across here, also noticed that a lot of the drainage, which they started working on earlier, is being completed. A lot of the sewer, we'll see the little drainage pond through there, and a lot of activity going on here at the site. Once again, I'm thinking probably 4 months before we start really seeing a lot of houses. Here's a good picture of a backhoe and some of the infrastructure that's going in. Hope you enjoyed this. Talk to you next week.